Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's begin with athletics. There were 3 Jamaican victories at the Wanda Diamond League in Gateshead, England on Tuesday. As we hear in this report from Karen Madden, national champions Stephanie Ann Mcpherson and Ronald Levy were joined by double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson on the winner's podium at what was the final meeting before the Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan.
With Olympic champion Omar McLeod still smarting after failing to make the team to Tokyo, the clash between him and the national champion Ronald Levy was highly anticipated, with the media still talking about controversial statements McLeod made at Monday's press conference. The race featured a ding-dong battle between the two up to the final hurdle.
Crashed a few there. McLeod, can he get into his running? Posey going well as well. McLeod coming through, but Levy is going to hold on and stretching away at the end. 13:23 the winning time. Again, a nice comfortable tailwind there.
In the end, it was Levy who won, clocking 13.22 seconds ahead of McLeod's 13.42. Fellow Jamaican Rashid Broadbell, who skipped the national championships with an injury, was 5th in 13.84. Meanwhile, double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson continued her fine showing on the Diamond League circuit, taking the 200 meters.
Thompson stalked by Tamara Clark. These two putting well clear. Thompson can she hang on for the victory? First appearance in the UK for 2 years. Yes, she can.
Thompson posted 22.43 seconds ahead of a fast-finishing Jodie Williams of Great Britain in a season's best 22.60 and Nigeria's Blessing Okogbari 22.61. Natasha Morrissey ended 8th in 23.16. And it was another good day for national 400-meter champion Stephanie Ann Mcpherson, who landed her pet event. Mcpherson came home in 50.44 seconds, with Britain's Jodie Williams recovering from the 200 earlier to clock a personal best 50.94 for second, and Lakey Claver of the Netherlands third in 51.54. Elsewhere, national champion Genevieve Russell, 54.66, was third in the 400-meter hurdles, behind the informed Femke Bol of the Netherlands, who took the event in 53.24, and the United States' Shamir Little second in 54.53. And the 2015 world champion Danielle Williams, 12.78, and Brittany Anderson, 12.81, were 4th and 5th respectively in the women's sprint hurdles. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.